Hello everyone, Vinay this side. We have released our DhanHQ Tradingview extension in Chrome Web Store. In this video, I'll quickly demonstrate how you can download the extension and install it in your Chrome browser. All you have to do is just go to chrome.google.com/webstore/extension and search for DhanHQ. Wait for the search result, and then you will see a detailed description about that extension, the name and the description. Click on this. You will take you to the details page where you will see a video demo which we already posted in YouTube, and then some snapshots you can see at the top level section, and then you can see who is the owner of this extension, and then the version, the current version, when it got updated, and what's the size of this extension. And then if you want to reach me out, you can reach me out via this contact to publisher option which Google provides. And then you can also have another website where we have the discussion is going on. It's on GitHub. So if you have anything to be discussed in the broader area, like you can come to this website, you can post your discussion. We'll try to answer that. And if you found some issues, go to the issues tab, create the issue. So right now we have identified 3 to 4 issues on the version 1.3. So we are trying to fix that issue. This will be fixed as soon as possible, and then it will be given as a patch release so that you will update in your Chrome extension. Okay, so yeah, here you will see all the list of features which is being available as part of version 1.3. Around 8 features we have released as part of 1.3 version, and then there are some of the upcoming features which we have placed over here. And there are plenty of things in our backlog. We are working towards that, and then you can expect every 2 weeks once you will have some feature released in the extension. You can always go ahead and see the the catalog and then the roadmap, what we are working on, where are we putting the efforts on. You can see it in the roadmap, and then the known issues. I put a link here also so that you can go and look for the issues. And as discussed, like we have 2 to 3 videos already been posted on this extension. I pasted this link in descriptions also, like you can go ahead and search for it. And of course, like the terms and conditions and then the user privacy, just have a look of it. Okay, now let's add this extension to our Chrome browser. Right now I'm using Brave, so it will support only on any Chromium-based browser. So I'm using Brave, which is built on top of Chrome, so it will support in Brave. If you are in Opera, it should work. If you are in Chrome, it should work. But if you are in Mozilla or Safari, it might not work. So you have to be in Chrome-based browser. Okay, so let me click Add to Brave. So it will give you a quick pop-up window saying, it can read certain details from some of the API endpoints. So some of the URLs which we are using to get some data is from api.dhan.co, which is where all the orders order modification, order creation will go through. That's the api.dhan.co, and then the Dhan TV website. This is where our subscription will be coming from. All the subscription data will be coming from this API, and then the extension page is extensively used for payment gateway, and then tv.dhan.co is where our the complete extension will work on. So that's what it's displaying. So yeah, I'll still go ahead and click on add to extension. Okay, now our extension is being added to the Brave browser or Chrome browser, and then you will see a quick pop-up window like this. Click on close, and then yeah, it's got hidden because it's not pinned in your browser. So what you have to do is click on the settings icon. You will see a DhanHQ TradingView extension, and then there is a pin icon, right? Just click on this pin so that you will see it here. After that, like click on this extension. So right now we are working with subscription-based model. We are right now having a two subscription model. One is a month and one is a yearly based. So month it's of 399 per month, and yearly it's of like 4299. For yearly, if you go with, there is some discount, but if it is month, it's 399 bucks. All you have to do is, like, you have to pay for that to use this extension. Click on subscribe. Before that, like, if you need any support, I given my details over here. Like, you can reach me out by email or phone number. You can reach me out here. Okay, now I click on subscribe, so it take me to payment gateway page where you will be entering your email, name, address, city, state, and country, and then your card details. Once you enter your card details, it will take you to the payment gateway page. Payment gateway which we are using is Stripe. It's mostly a 135 currencies its Stripe is supporting, so you can use Stripe with any card, international card or like a Amex card. Any card is being supported by Stripe, so we're using Stripe. You enter your details and click on subscribe. It will take you to a OTP page where you will enter your OTP, and then your payment will be get success. And after your payment is being success, you will get a success notification. You have to do is like click on close, and then again you have to select this icon, so you will see uh, a next page where you will be taking you to all the configuration. Yeah, thank you.